So this is a toilet right here, and there's always 2 bolts, one on each side, and these are called closet bolts, and they have a nut, and you tighten them up, but don't tighten it up too much.
Yeah, you tighten that too much, and that's going to crack in a heartbeat.
Absolutely. Let's spin this around. So what good is it to tighten up that closet bolt right here if you're going to now pull against this flange, if the flange isn't secured perfectly down to the structure? You need non-ferrous screws, screws that won't rust, that are down into plywood or structure. That's critically important.
Because if that's not permanently secured to the floor, your toilet's going to rock.
It'll rock either way, and it'll come this way too. The whole pipe will come up.
Yeah.
And the most important thing for a seal is right here. You can see at the bottom of the toilet and the flange, there's a wax seal right here, and that's important to make sure that no water leaks out, and as importantly, no sewer gas leaks into the building.
So if this toilet is sitting flat, not rocking, and it's properly secured here, but you don't have this secondary seal, that's when the gases and such come out.
You'll notice it. You'll either see water or you'll smell it.
Okay.
All right? But what happens most often in real life is there might be a water leak, or there might be a crooked floor, the house might settle, and now when that happens, now this tile surface is no longer level. Now what you have to do is be sure you shim the toilet somehow, because you don't want it to rock and put extraordinary pressure on those connections. So make these plastic shims right here. They can go right underneath where the dip is, and you can cut them off so they stay out of sight.
Right.
At the least case, if you don't have the shims, use something that won't rust. Use a coin of some sort to make sure that you fill that space so it doesn't, when somebody sits on it, it doesn't really challenge that connection.
Something that won't rust, or definitely not a wood shim, which is going to deteriorate, because you know this is going to be a wet area.
But it's important to understand the mechanics of what's going on underneath the seat.